Hey guys! Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Hey, we decided to walk over to Korkeasaari Zoo and check out all the Easter events. So we just got here, we're at Easter Island. We're gonna go check it out. We're doing photos! Alright, change of plan. The photo booth wasn't working, so we went and got ice cream. Yeah. And it tastes amazing. I got Oreo and
raspberry.
Raspberry smoothie. Look at the line too. I think we started something. Interesting, we learned something new today. I kept calling that a moose, but clearly here on the sign it says elk. But in Europe, our moose is called an elk. Didn't know that. I'm trying to find the bunnies, because it's Easter. Where's the bunnies? So the Finns love their sausages so much that they have grills at the zoo to make their sausages. How cool. Well, we couldn't find the bunnies at the zoo, so we stopped to have granola bars and bunny gummies. Yay! Thought those were appropriate for today.
Very Easter.
Yeah. Sure this isn't supposed to happen. They should lock that better. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for our Easter trip to the zoo. It was a lot of fun seeing all the animals, walking around all day. But we're gonna head out head home, get some dinner. So we'll see you in the next adventure.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.